Hey, welcome to Dust. Today I want to talk about something pretty amazing that we're releasing, and to show you, I'll start with some examples. This is basically a digest that looks like a paper that we receive every Monday morning that shows us everything that happened in our field so we can stay on top of it. Research breakthroughs, industry and businesses news, product and releases, and governance stuff. So if I want to go into details, I can just browse and read the articles that it wrote. What you need to know is that all of this has been written by an agent and displayed as a newspaper. Let's look at another example. Let's say your executive committee wants to know a little bit more about the future of AI pricing. Well, it's never been easier to send them an executive summary of the pricing trends of AI models. So here I just asked an agent to build me an executive summary of the AI pricing revolution. There is historical prices, comparative price analysis, current market landscapes, etc., etc. And the pretty cool thing is that this report is actually interactive. I even have an integrated cost calculator, and if I just move the number of tokens, I'm going to see my actual pricing. Okay, so that newspaper and this report were both generated by Dust agents. You can see here that it's a shareable URL, and we call these reports Dust frames. Okay, let's look at how to generate a Dust frame. Okay, so the two examples of the Dust frame tool that I just showed you were using public data, but we all know that the power of Dust comes with company data. Let's try to build a frame that uses company data. I've asked an analyst agent to generate a dashboard of the growth of Dust for a demo purpose. Okay, so I didn't do it live because it takes a few minutes to generate, but you can see now on my right-hand side that I've got a Dust growth dashboard. I'm gonna make it full screen. I can see a graph of number of messages per day. I can see a graph of number of new users per month. I can see a graph of number of agents, number of workspaces created, and a basic overview of the entire growth metrics. And the great thing with frames is that you can share them. So you can decide to share them either internally or publicly. Internally means that all the members in your workspace will be able to see the frame, but if you share it publicly, then the entire internet will be able to see it. Using it can be easier. You can either just attach the frame tool to your conversation or add it as a tool to your agents. And again, its power is basically unlimited. So go for it, give it a try, and tell us what you think. I'll see you around.